Hey crafters, I found this tin tray and I'm going to give it a makeover. So I'm taking a bunch of printables that I had bought off of Etsy, and I'm basically going to collage this. And I've done this before, and I'll link the video that shows me doing this technique in more detail. I'm going to Mod Podge all of my images onto the tray. Now I did not paint the tray white, which I should have, because at the end there is a couple areas that bled through. It wasn't too bad, but I should have painted it. I did not. So make sure you paint your background before you do this. As I rip the paper with the images that I want, I'm going to put the Mod Podge on the bottom, stick it down, and then put more Mod Podge on top. And I'm going to do this throughout each picture, just so that there's a good coating of Mod Podge. Once it's all done, I'm going to put yet another layer of Mod Podge on top. It'll really protect it from the resin that I'm going to pour into this. So here's the finished product. I have all my images down, and I'm going to take some antiquing wax, and I'm going to hit areas that I feel need to be toned down a little bit. Sometimes you can see some of the white paper when you collage this, and using the antiquing wax helps bring everything together and hide those white areas. Once I get the antiquing wax on, I'm going to iron out all of the wrinkles. There weren't many, but it's nice to get smooth before I put another layer of Mod Podge on. So I'll put this Mod Podge on and let it dry really well. And if you have to go over it with an iron, again, you can. You just have to do it very lightly. Next, I'm going to mix up my resin, equal parts resin, and then I will add a little glitter to it for some shimmer. I'm going to pour my resin into the tray and use a silicone brush to smooth it all out and get it as even as possible. I'm going to use my heat gun to get all the air bubbles out, let it sit for 24 hours, and I think this turned out really, really cute. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.